Let's study for Quiz 2 in Econ. After all expenses are subtracted, the amount of money left after a sale is called a profit. A blank is similar to a rise in the market and signifies a good time to buy if you are looking to purchase stocks. A climb. True or false? An open mutual fund is when you put your money in the fund and the investment company combines your money with the money of millions of other investors and buys stocks and bonds with it. True. Another question to ask yourself is, how has the company been doing against its blank? Competition. When you buy stock, you will be referred to as a shareholder or blank. Stockholder. True or false? When you buy stocks, you are buying a small percentage of everything owned by the company. This includes computers, desks, and bookshelves, among other things. True. One of the first rules that almost any investor will tell you is do not invest any money that you can't afford to blank. Lose. What was the year in which the stock market crash started the Great Depression after an incredible plunge which made millionaires poor in the space of hours? 1929. What is the term used for the stock market events of 1929 in which investors lost millions of dollars due to a stock market that kept falling? Crash. True or false? The Wall Street Journal actually added to the fears of people in 1929 by reporting in an irresponsible manner about unfounded fears. False. When the market is trying to study itself out after a monumental movement. A correction. A significant drop in the market that is more exaggerated than the normal dips that would take place. A plunge. What happened on October 19, 1987? Crash. True or false? Percentage-wise, the 1987 stock market crash was more harsh than the 1929 crash. True. The record-breaking dead bottom low did not come until July blank. I want a year. (1932). The record-breaking dead bottom low did not come until July 1932, as the market had lost approximately what percent of its value? (89%). A standard unit of value in the stock market is a blank. A point. If you do not see a demand for a product, it is best to be blank about buying stock from that company. Skeptical. True or false? Investors' fears become so powerful that increased movement on the stock exchange occurs, causing a financial panic. True. True or false? Buying stock should be equated with buying into a partnership of a business. After all, your money is going into a corporation that will try to use it to grow. True. True or false? If you do not see any profit from the company recently, that is a sign it may be a good business for investment. False. True or false? If the company has been making a good profit against competition, you may continue to see that profit grow, and that is a good sign for investing. True. True or false? Putting money into stocks is a risky thing. True. A question to ask before you invest any money is the company making a blank or service that somebody wants? Product. A representation of the part of a company that you own. Stock. The market trying to study itself after a monumental movement is called a correction. A call for a product or service, a need or want. A demand. Selling directly to the consumer with costs included to cover manufacturing, advertising, and overhead. Retail. In order to have a professional buy stocks for them, millions of people purchase blank. Mutual funds. The market fell 508 points in one day on October 19th. What year? $1987. True or false? In reality, both crashes were started by people influenced by the emotion everyone shares, fear. True. True or false? Investors' fears can become so powerful that increased movement on the stock exchange occurs, causing a financial panic. True. Go through and study this. Make sure you know this before you take your quiz.